Now within the Image tab, you will make a specific selection. Now each selection then can have an effect with it. So for example, we can do the file selection, and then we can then capture that file with a specific effect. So for example, let's assume that we're going to capture the file, and we're going to do so with a border. Now once we use that border, we can then click on this settings gear, and then we can do some settings. So for example, we can widen the border, we can change the color of the border, and then once we have it the way we want it, we can then capture. And then we're going to choose the file. We're then going to click open, and you'll see the image now captured with a border around it for us to be able to use with our content. We can also use a filter. In this case, we're going to click on the settings gear, and then we're going to choose a specific filter. So for example, we can say that what we want to do is to invert the colors. And then we can then capture the image. We'll click capture. We'll open it into our editor. And you'll see now that the colors of the image have changed. The original colors looked with this background. However, with colors inverted, our image looks different. In addition to the filters, we can also use a shadow. We're going to click capture. We're going to grab our image. And then our editor is going to open again. When our editor opens, we'll then see the shadow that we have on. We can also, with our selection, create capture information. If we click on the gear icon, we can determine how much info we're going to place with the image once it is captured, as well as to customize that information. For example, in this case, we can customize the font. We can then click capture. So basically, we can capture the image using any of the menu items that we have here in order to enhance our overall image. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.